Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to move your already installed games from one drive to another. Pretty simple and easy. First of all, go to your library, go to the game you want to remove, click the three dots right here, click on manage. After that, as you can see, the installation location, don't click uninstall but click open install location. From here, a folder of the game will be opened. This is where the game is installed, so open it, copy all the content right here. After that, go to the new drive, create a new folder, name it whatever you want. After that, paste all the content that you already have copied. So after it's completed, now go to Epic Games and make sure to uninstall the game. Click uninstall. After that, go to your library, find the same game, click install, and then click on the same drive you have created your folder on, the new one, click select folder. After that, click install, click pause, go to the file explorer, make sure to cut, and then go to the folder, the new folder, and from here click paste, close now, resume the installation. As you can see, it becomes verifying instead of installing. Just wait a few moments, and just like that, your game has successfully been verified and it's ready to play without reinstalling it again. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.